Great job making it this far. Now that we've outlined the project and discussed the key areas of focus, it's time to dive into the solution. Before starting the project, we took a deep look at the problem mega retail is facing. Now it's time to translate those challenges into actionable solutions using the MySQL queries. We are going to explore how to implement those solutions step by step, from identifying the top selling products to calculating customer spending for our loyalty program, and finally analyzing the revenue by product category. And who better to guide you through this than my friend Hershett? He'll walk you through the entire solution implementation process for this project and show you exactly how to structure your database, write the SQL queries, and derive the insights you need to make informed business decisions. By the end of his session, you'll have a complete working solution that not only meets the project objectives, but also sets you with the skills to tackle similar challenges in the real world. So get ready to dive in as Hershett takes you through the solution implementation. See you.